So this is the back seat. The springs sit on top of here. I want to remove it because I see that we have rust here on the sides. The other thing I want to see is over on the passenger side back. It is rusted through there on the bottom. So I'm gonna have to rebuild it anyhow. So it has to come out. So let's remove this quick out of the cab so then I can actually see what the floor conditions look like and see how much more welding I'm gonna have to do rather than just doing the front passenger and driver's side. So guys, with me removing the bolt, there's no way that piece comes out. And I just realized that now after removing the bolt. So I'm gonna have to do some fancy welding to be able to get that one piece fixed, but otherwise than that, we should be good. So anyhow, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, like the channel, and please share the videos, and have a good rest of your day.